the
here.
second time. I hope gustuhin ko pa rin siya after this. Canada, please be good to me. I want to learn this. How's your experience sa pagturo sa akin?
Ang galing na Meg!
Diba, mas magaling na ako kay Kyle.
Yeah!
Hello mga mare, good afternoon. It's currently past 3 p.m. here and today is January 16 and nandito kami sa may Fairmont to check in celebration of my birthday, ang regalo ni Yorme sa atin. So, ayun. I'll tour you around the downtown since hindi ko pa ata masyadong napapakita ang downtown dito sa Vancouver. Also, please excuse my messy hair dahil nagmamadali kami. Mamaya na natin ayusin para sa photos. So, see you later!
Wow! Wow! Sino nag-prepare nito lang? Sino nag-prepare? Oh my God, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much, my love.
Thank you. Appreciate you so much.
Come here, let's do a fit check. My love, come here first.
Fit check. Top from Shein. Coat from Bershka na hinaram natin kay Maring Witwit. Pants is Uniqlo. Then my Uggs. Thank you so much for the birthday gift. You don't have to, but thank you. Why are you laughing?
Advance.
Wapagani. Okay. Okay, let's go out. Nakita nyo ba yung araw na yan? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Lord. The best birthday gift ever, ever, ever. Going out.
Yeah.
Happy dance. There's Cardi. And then Tiffany. And nandyan si Maring Hermes. Oh my God. And also, sa baba ng hotel namin is Dior. And then sa kabilang side, si Maring LV. Oh my God. Lahat nandito na. Pera na lang kulang. We're staying here at Fairmont Hotel, Vancouver. Hindi ganun nakuha ni Gucci ang heart ko. Sorry, Gucci. I love you, but I love you lang. Pero yun na. We're here at downtown. Meron tayong mga agenda for today. First is bank. Then second, we're going to Gastown to check Stussy. And then next after that, we're going to the outlet. May mimit kaming friends. Lovey, what's this? Oh! This is the Vancouver Art Gallery. Lovey, punta tayo dyan. Wala na tayong time pala. Yun lang, wala na kaming time. So,
Bakit ito art gallery?
yeah.
Dahil
Kay Alexandra St. Malou. Leclerc! Guys, look. So,
sa mga asap.
oh, dito. And then the apple. Sobrang ganda ng weather lately. Kaya ng hindi puffer level. So ngayon, nakahitek pa rin ako pambaba. Pero yung pangtaas, hindi na. Tapos nag-coat na lang ako. And carry bells siya. Pati yung sa kamay ko, carry boom boom. So, grabe, the weather is so nice. Wala na akong masabi kundi thank you, Lord, for everything. Of course, thank you, my love, for letting me experience this kind of life. This kind of life na para bang siya ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, no? Hindi ang nanay ko. Pero, grabe, the weather is so nice. Wala na akong masabi kundi thank you, Lord, for everything. Of course, thank you, my love, for letting me experience this kind of life. This kind of life na para bang siya ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, no? Hindi ang nanay ko. So, sama ko kayo starting today. We are now entering VCC because mag-e-enroll na ako. Charot! So nice.
Hindi na lang butter crunch. Cheese na lang. Ano sa'yo? Moist. Ayan. Yum. Bakit ka butter na? Butter.
Yummy. This is 10 over 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah. 10 out of 10. Yours is
Meron ako sa donuts eh. So mga ano siya sa akin? 8.5.
Wala, love you love donuts pala. So, parang mauubos ko pala siya.
Medyo...
We are going to the outlet. And dahil mahal ang Uber, we're gonna ride the SkyTrain.
Train is for YVR Airport.
Guys, kapag mag-SkyTrain kayo from down,
Fucking cold.
ang ingay, nagbablog ako eh. So kapag nag-SkyTrain kayo from,
Bali.
pag nag-SkyTrain kayo from, okay, so
I love you, my love. This is the best birthday gift ever. You're the best.
you're the best sa lahat ng bagay, pati mang inis. Sobrang the best ka sa lahat. Okay, so we're now walking to the outlet. Kakababa lang namin ng SkyTrain. Oh, the plane! Commercial break kasi mayroong pa-landing na plane. By the way, this outlet is yung malapit lang sa may airport. This is the MacArthur Glen pala. MacArthur Glen Designer Outlet. Pero wala naman masyadong ganap sa outlet na to actually. So yung sabi ko nga kanina, from downtown, nag-SkyTrain lang kami. Waterfront Station to YVR Airport Station. Now we're walking na. It's like 5 minutes away, no love? From the station na binabaan natin. Yeah, so 5-minute walk lang siya. Simula dun sa station na binabaan namin. Parang ang daming kotse sa parking ah. Mukhang madaming tao sa outlet today. It's like mga 6 p.m. na dito. Since maganda yung weather, lahat ng tao nasa labas. Also, it's a Friday today. Oo nga pala. Okay, tara, sama kayo sa akin. We're here sa Ralph Lauren. Mag-check lang tayo. We're not gonna buy because we don't have budget.
Okay, Archie boy. Paano malalaman? Paano malalaman?
You think it's bagay?
Yeah.
Nakatali. Oo, kaya nga hindi ko ma-appreciate eh. Okay, sige, try.
These are the young jackets. We love the orange and the blue.
Supposed to be hindi.
Hindi ko sure.
Yung mga cups ko, maabot talaga dito. I think maliit kasi yung ulo ko. Yeah.
Pero ganda.
Okay, thank you so much kay Ate Sid and kay Beshi na wala pang gulo lang.
Ay, patadaming views mo.
Okay, let's see. Sa ating mga kapamilya dyan, nandito na po tayo sa Vancouver.
Mga dating natutulog lang sa office.
Mga dating natutulog sa opisina ng ABS-CBN.
Kung KFC na siya.
Yun lang. We're back! Okay, nasa labas na naman po tayo, mga kababayan. Past 10 p.m. and we're going to have dinner outside. I want ramen on my birthday. Para noodles, long life. And look at Vancouver. Wala ng tao, opo. Tahimik na. Lahat nakauwi na sa kanya-kanyang mga tirahan. And also, it's a Friday here ha. So, yung gantong oras sa Pinas, mga ano pa lang, pasimula pa lang ang gabi nila. But dito sa Vancouver, ayan, konti na lang yung makikita mong mga tao. Nagpapahinga na sila. So, wala lang. Share ko lang naman. Downtown Vancouver on a Friday night. Crew. And also, yung mga stores dito, look, close na sila. Though sa Philippines din naman, gantong oras close na. Pero kasi downtown to eh. Ang aga nilang magsisarahan. 7 lang, close na sila.
Oh, 7, 8.
Grabe. Downtown, ang agang nagsasara. Okay, so hello guys. Kakabalik lang ulit ng and ngayon tong tayo mag-room tour. So, let's enter. Aray, agay. Don't mind the mess. Because kanina pa tayo naka-check-in. Pero ngayon lang tayo makakapag-room tour. Okay, when you enter, meron tayo ditong full body mirror. Say hello to my cameraman. Hi, my love. And then here, ang aming mga kagamitan. Ayan, and meron lang siya ditong, you know, lounging area. Ito ka kapag hindi ka pa nag-change ng clothes mo. Okay, my love? Pag naka-outside clothes ka pa, dito ka pa lang pwede. Bawal pa sa bed. And then this one, connecting door. So, connecting door siya. And look at the view. This is our view, mga mare. Wow, free money. May pa-free money si Fairmont. And this is our view. See? Wala ng tao. Opo, walang katao-tao. Nasa bahay na sila. And this is our bed. Shout out to Ashira for my happy birthday decoration. Thank you. I love you, girl. And I think, in-upgrade nila yung room namin, guys. Tama, love? Let's proceed here. We have a free birthday cake. Robert and Meg, welcome to the castle in the city. So glad to have you here from Ashira. Thank you so much, girl. And of course, we have a birthday card from Ashira again. Thank you so much. By the way, Ashira, complimentary ba to? Oh, may bayad. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ba namin kainin to. So, text ka na lang namin kung complimentary ba siya, part ba siya ng gift or not. Kanina, yung pag-check-in namin, wala pa to. Dear Mr. Kennery, welcome to the Fairmont Hotel, Vancouver. Happy birthday to your fiancé. Aww, sincerely, Scott Richards. From the Director of Operations. So, thank you so much for the free piece of cake. This one,
Don't touch it.
okay, may bayad pala na yan. So, let's see what's inside. Oh, we have here mini bar, but of course, isang angat mo dyan, may bayad po, opo. Kaya hindi na natin gagalawin tong area na to. Syempre, as a Pinoy, dito lang tayo sa mga libre. Okay, may pa-free coffee naman sila. And then, oh, very Pinoy, Coffee Mate. And may mga free teas naman sila, of course. Iuwi natin yan para sulit ang binayaran, 'di ba? And here, okay. This one, yung coffee pods. And then here, wala nang laman. This is another lounging area and meron tayong free water and we have to request because water is life. And another view. Right here is pinaka tinitignan ko sa mga hotel. The washroom or the bathroom or the restroom. So let's see. Wow! It's nice. So, syempre, meron tayong pa-mirror right over here. I love it. And look, guys. Lelabo. Ang kanilang savon. Pag kinuha kaya natin to, re-refillan ulit nila pag nagpalinis tayo. Isa pang savon. Also, guys, yung lotion nila, Lelabo. Hindi to pwede iuwi, guys. Wag naman tayo umabot sa ganon. Ayan. May pa-note, bawal siyang iuwi.
$120.
$120 plus yung dignidad mo. 'Di ba? Nakakahiya naman. Wag na tayong umabot sa ganung level. And also dito, come on, sa shower area, the shampoo, the conditioner, and then the shower gel are all Lelabo. Oh my God, guys. It's a plus for me kapag may plancha ng damit. Ang hirap kasi yung every morning magre-request ka ng plancha. And then, syempre, may safety box sila. And, yes. Lovey. High quality. Hindi katulad sa Japan, disposable. Ito, sure. Iuuwi ko to, guys. Ito yung isa sa mga paborito ko sa hotel na inuuwi. Love, wag natin gamitin. Charot. And, ayun, may laundry bag sila. But I think this one is not nauuwi. Ay, hindi. Nauuwi siya. Kasama yan sa binayaran. Okay, wala na doon. Yung payong kaya. Pwede to iuwi?
$30.
Ay, $30. Okay, wag na. Magkano yun? Right here. Yan, bathrobe. So, ayun lang. For me, this hotel is 10 out of 10. Compared to Shangri-La sa Pinas, hindi sila same level. Iba pa rin yung Shang. Kasi na-try na natin yung Shang sa BGC and then yung Ed sa Shang. Also, may isa pang hotel sa BGC tayo na-try. Hyatt, ibang level. Iba pa rin yung kalidad ng mga 5-star hotel sa Philippines. Yun lang masasabi ko. Though, this hotel kasi, itong specific Fairmont Hotel na to sa downtown, this is the third oldest hotel. Kinda old naman na talaga siya. Pero it's part of the experience yun. Lovey, ano yun? Si Queen Elizabeth. Dito siya nag-check-in year 19... ipa-flash ko na lang yan. Lalagay ko somewhere here. Okay, that's all for tonight. And kakain na kami ng dessert. And mag-refreshen up. Yun lang. See you again tomorrow. Hello mga mare, so today it's a Saturday. So let's do a birthday fit check. Cardigan from A&F, and then I have lang white heat tech from GU, and then yung most asked na pants sa akin, this one is from GU. Ito yung barrel pants nila, and then shoes, Ikeds, and then I have then heat tech na pambaba. My cap is RL. Gusto ko kasi sana ngayon ang outfit ko is shade of green or may touch of green. Hindi natuloy yung supposedly dapat na birthday fit check ko. So yun lang naman. Tara na! Sarap lumabas. Ang sarap makakita ng mga magagandang tao. Mga outfit nila. So nice. Also, nakaka-brighten ng mood kasi grabe yung weather today. Lord, grabe ka talaga. Salamat. Cute dog. Here's a bottle. Itadakimasu. Of course, Japanese meal for my birthday lunch. Walang makakatalo sa puso ko ng Japanese foods. This one is nice. Choose number, love. 17? Since it's 17 today. Ako na rin yung namili. Okay, open. Tingnan natin. Pili ka lang as in random. I am grateful for the blessings of wealth, but it hasn't changed who I am.
My feet are still on the ground. I'm just wearing better shoes. Eh.
Can I get the toasted coconut matcha?
You want it iced or hot?
Sorry?
Iced or hot?
Hot. And can I have it in a to-go cup?
Sure. And you want it medium or large?
Medium only.
Anything else?
That's all. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawawala ang matcha drink on my birthday. Di na ako ganun kadalas uminom ng matcha. But syempre, since it's my birthday, I can drink matcha today. And also, dumaan kami kanina ng Sephora to get my birthday gift. This one is free lang. Kahit wala kang bilhin, pwede mong makuha to. Yeah, basta may account ka, you can get one birthday gift. But actually, nakuha ko naman na yung isa pang birthday gift ko, but sa ibang branch. Buti na lang, binigyan pa rin nila ako. So, ayun. And then, wala lang. Gusto ko na kasi talagang mag-into reading. As in, I'm trying naman talaga. Kaya, itong birthday gift ko to myself, I'll buy a book. This is the Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. Sana naman matapos ko tong libro na to. This is one is toasted coconut matcha latte. It's yum. It's coconut. Di mo lang siya, bet, no? Kasi makukonut siya. I like it. Hi, my love.